Truckmaster is specially designed for the truck builder market. We have tried to develop a pump specially for this market, reducing the weight of the pump, getting a higher performance of the pump, and making a very compact design.
On the Truckmaster, we have used a program to analyze the flow in the pump to optimize the flow. I'm quite surprised even small details can have a big impact on the flow on the pump.
By using a FEA program, we can see all the stresses that is in the rotor, in the impellers, and all the way through the rotor into the shaft. We can very easily see what is happening if we change the geometry of the blades and how that affects the whole construction.
The Truckmaster pump is equipped with the HPR, the high performance rotor. The new rotor is designed with a new geometry, so we have enlarged the volume in each cell in order to have a higher performance on the pump. Compared with the normal rotor, where we have the angle going from the bottom of the rotor, we have now the blade going straight through the center. We have used modern computer technology to analyze the flow in the pump in order to get closer to the target. The material in the pump is stainless steel and cast iron, designed as a low-weight pump. But the material choice means that you can still use the pump for industrial cleaning. There's no aluminium in the welded parts. Low weight and high performance. I mean, more than 2,000 cubic meter out of a pump that only weighs 300 kilos. That's quite extraordinary. In general, I think that the pump has a very modern design. We have an integrated water channel, so the customer only needs to connect water in one end of the pump. It is rocket science.